The timeless narrative of the Magi invites us to ponder its messages and consider the relevance it holds for our lives today. The Magi, the star, the gifts, the encounter. The Gospel passage from Matthew chapter 2, 1 to 12 presents us with a profound story of the Magi's journey to encounter the newborn Jesus from east to west. This narrative holds within its treasure a trove of wisdom that continue to resonate in our lives today. As we dive into the journey of these wise men, Balthasar, Melchior, Caspar, all these three magi, guided by a celestial sign, the timeless truth that holds for our faith and a journey with Christ. The journey of the Magi. The story begins with the Magi observing a star rising in the sky, the sign that led them on an arduous journey in search for the prophesied king. Their pilgrimage brings us home the importance of seeking God earnestly, even if it means embarking on a challenging and uncertain path. Today we live in a world of precision. We want to know where we want to go. We are tracking our flights in the flight trackers. We are using the GPS to not to miss the destiny. But when the Magi journeyed, their persistence and faith in pursuing the divine call inspires us to seek Jesus with unwavering dedication, regardless of life's obstacles and precisions. The star enables us a direction. The guiding star acted as a celestial compass for the Magi, leading them to the destination, the divine guidance. In our lives, God often guides us to various signs, experiences, and people. Let's remain attentive to these signs, knowing that God's guidance may come in unexpected ways, guiding us toward a deeper encounter with Christ. The gifts of the Magi. The Magi presented precious gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The gifts they offered to infant Jesus symbolized not only their reverence for the newborn king, but also acknowledgement of Jesus' kingship, divinity, and sacrifice. We are called to offer our best to Christ, not just material possession, but also our talents, times, resources, and devotion serving God and others. Encountering Christ and transformation. When the Magi encountered Jesus, their lives were forever changed. Their encounter prompted them to return home by a different route, avoiding King Herod's deceitful plans. Similarly, when we encounter Jesus in our lives, it leads us to transformation, redirecting our lives away from sin toward a life aligned with God's will. As we reflect on the journey of the Magi, let's embrace the spirit of seeking, the openness to divine guidance, the generosity in offering our gifts to God, and the readiness for transformative encounters with Christ. May this journey of the Magi inspire us to embark our own spiritual journeys with renewed vigor, seeking Christ in our lives, allowing His presence to transform us from within. The journey of the Magi. The guiding star gives us divine guidance. The gift of the Magi. When we encounter Christ, it leads us to a transformative living. Jesus indeed the light of the world. This tells us three things. We are not center of the universe, but God is. Without the light of Christ, our sight is hindered. It shows us where we are going and how to get there. We're all brothers and sisters trying to make our way back to God. We must love and serve one another. No one has exclusive right to the light. They were overjoyed at seeing the star, and on entering the house, they saw the child with Mary, his mother. They prostrated themselves and paid him homage.